Today's composition is a song by Dikshitar. He describes the coronation of Lord Rama. He says, "O Pattabhirama, that is coronated Rama, please protect me. Victory to Rama, whose name is chanted by Anjaneya. O Kodandarama, your feet are delicate like tender leaves. O Raghurama, you fulfill our desires. Bharata and Lakshmana sway Chamaram and hold parasol. Shatrughna, Vibhishana, Sugriva and other stalwarts are at your service. O son of Dasharatha, eminent sages like Atri, Vasishtha are your well-wishers. You majestically sit along with your consort Sita on a gem-studded throne in a pavilion shining with 9 kinds of gems. It is decorated with colorful toranams. O Ramachandra, you are the most pious. You are like the moon to the nectar, like ocean of the sun dynasty. You are the ruler of this earth. You are dear to Guru Guha, which is the mudra of Dikshitar. Mamava Pattabhirama. Ramaya Ramabhadraya Ramachandraya Vedase Raghunathaya Nathaya Sitaya Pataye Namaha. Mamava Pattabhirama Jaya Maruti Sanutanama Rama 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 Mamava Pattabhirama Jaya Maruti Sanutanama. Komalatara Pallava Pada Kodanda Rama Komalatara Pallava Pada Kodanda Rama Kanashyamala Vigraha Janayana Sampurna Kama Raghurama Kalyana Rama Rama Mamava Pattabhirama Jaya Maruti Sanutanama Chatra Chamara Karadruta Bharata Lakshmana Chatra Chamara Karadruta Bharata Lakshmana Shatrughna Vibhishana Sugriva Pramukhadi Sevita Atri Vasishtha Dhyanu Graha Patra दशरथ पुत्र मणि रङ्गवल्यालङ्कृत नवरत्न मण्डपे विचित्र मणिमय सिंहासने सीतया संस्थित सुचरित्र परम पवित्र गुरु गुह मित्र पंकज मित्र वंश सुधा बुधि चंद्र वेदिनी पाल रामचंद्र मामव पाटाभिराम राजेय मारुति सनूतनाम राम मामव पाटाभिराम राजेय मारुति सनूतनाम राम मामव पाटाभिराम राजेय मारुति सनूतनाम।